Hi everyone, my name is Leon. I am Data Engineering Fellow at Insight. I'm happy to present to you my application Gitlaw, a version control for legislation. So, in recent news, titles such as House Democrats introduced HEROES Act and Civil Rights Act are frequently mentioned. Gitlaw helps you to understand this act by providing a version control system for laws and legislations. Here's how it works. Gitlaw collects all the bills published in the last 20 years and their revisions. It can run algorithms to compare one version of a bill against another, what's been updated, deleted, and visualize the difference. It's almost like Git, hence the name. So the data pipeline looks at this. Historic bills and metadata can be web scraped from static HTML files hosted on Library of Congress website. They're then stored into Amazon AWS S3 for better access. I then use Spark to clean and merge the data using MapReduce, written in Scala, built and shipped in SBT. And I store them in Cassandra, where I have a REST API endpoint set up for public access to this data. Another pipeline coming in where I web scrap the latest bill data from also Library of Congress website, and then update to Cassandra directly. This is written in Python and scheduled to run twice a day using cron. So for the demo, I have built a very minimal a UI that I'm gonna show off to you. It's basic functionalities. So it has, you can choose the bill ID, which is unique for each bill. This displays the title and sponsors. For the bills that have more than one version, you can choose different versions to compare against. And then here's some other configurations for the diff algorithm. Once you run, it shows you the difference between two bills, what's being added and deleted. It should be very clear. What's the data? What I'm working with? The data I'm working with come in as JSON in text format. In Spark, RDD generated from JSON and text are inherently incompatible. In order to merge these two formats, I come up with a solution to recursively generate RDD for each column in JSON and turn them into a nested RDD, and then add this text file into this RDD, which I can directly write this nested Spark RDD into Cassandra as one data frame. So how the data process? In the S3 file system, I run a depth search to traverse all directory to look for the target content. To optimize that, I utilize a partitioning method in distributing computing. In Spark, specifically, it means to implement a customized partitioner to run the job, by which, in this case, I chose to partition by terms of Congress. So another point that's worth mentioning is that I did not want this diffing algorithm actually to be the bottleneck of my application. So I chose Meyer's algorithm, which almost guarantees a runtime of linear to the length of the text, which means that I can actually run a real-time diffing algorithm in the browser. So this is me. I just graduated from Purdue studying CS with a focus on software engineering. I really like data. I love data since the day the Houston Rockets decided to shoot threes only, based on a statistic reason. So joining Insight as a data engineering fellow, I'm hoping to jumpstart a career as a data engineer. I love to solve problems using data and build data pipeline with existing tools. And hopefully I can contribute to building these tools as I grow as a data engineer. Thank you.